The modern models of physics are becoming increasingly complicated every decade. Scientists explain the current situation by the fact that this is necessary for a deeper description of the laws of nature. However, in recent years, the opposite concept has been justified. The basic principles underlying the universe are elegant and simple, very simple. And an example of this is string theory. In the formalisms of this theory, all secrets of the universe are carefully and economically packaged. And also string theory is probably one of the proposed theories of the theory of everything. It shows the possibilities of finding minimal solution. Extremely interesting is the approach to the fractal description of nature. The founders of this theory are detailed by the mathematician Beno Mandelbrot in his classic monograph, Fractal Geometry of Nature. The basic idea boils down to the fact that the whole variety of forms of the world around us is subject to the law of repetition of self-similarities. This law is evident when comparing a variety of objects. Look at the picture. At the heart of this fundamental law is the Mandelbrot set known as the fingerprint of God. The mathematical justification of the fractal effect is reduced to one incredibly simple equation. In this connection, the similarity of the patterns of the microscopic network of neurons of the brain and the microscopic model of the universe is especially impressive. See, please. The similarity of such diverse phenomena again suggests the role of conscious creativity at all levels of the universe. It follows that a complete description of nature should include an equal rights cosmic laws and consciousness. As the lecture TED, Canadian physicist Neil Turk states that it's possible to describe the structure of the universe with just one simple formula. But for this, we need a completely different representation of fundamental physics. The time has come for fundamentally new ideas. The newest concepts of consciousness bring remarkably closer on a new level of understanding to the ancient vision of the world. Modern science and ancient teachings converge on a new frontier of penetration into the secret of the universe. What is there beyond the horizon of the visible world? How to find a way to communicate with the unknown, and how to call it? The answer is simple. We, like everything else, are immersed in this field as a natural habitat, now and always. Mankind is technically ready to start colonizing the cosmos and declaring itself to be a cosmic humanity. But are we fully aware of what surprises can wait for us beyond the Earth's orbit? Engineers and astrophysicists see to a large extent the difficulties and the dangers at the level of the material world, that is space-time and energy. But if we accept that the third component of the universe is consciousness, then it's necessary to think about what we can face in an invisible world. It's assumed that in the cosmos meetings with aliens are possible. However, Earthlings can expect more large-scale surprises, meeting with the all-embracing essence of the field of consciousness with the absolute. The reality of this scenario is, for example, the testimonies of astronauts describing unusual phenomena. So, mankind has come close to a new phase of its existence, the cosmic one. There is a strong conviction that a one-way flight to Mars is a valuable idea. And this idea implies not only technical equipment, but also another goal, meeting with a higher mind order. Summary. Consciousness is the fundamental essence of the universe along with matter and energy. Consciousness is a field into which everything is immersed. The creative conscious force caused the Big Bang and the subsequent expansion of the universe. All constants and laws of existence of the universe are highly organized. The universe manifests itself in unity of the world of the visible and the invisible. The laws of the universe are elegant and simple. The goal of cosmic humanity is not only the use of new material resources, but most importantly, the emergence of a direct, controlled contact with the sphere of the higher mind. That's all. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.